Chapter 10 Maloji. Before we read, Chhatrapati Shivaji was the greatest Maratha leader and one of the greatest Indian heroes. He was not only brave and kind, but also possessed a great foresight. Here is the story of his life. Chhatrapati Shivaji, the famous Maratha leader, is famous for his love and fondness of brave people. He himself was a great warrior of his time, and he loved people who were brave and courageous. Many stories are told about his bravery and kindness. Here is one such story. It was late hours of night. Chhatrapati Shivaji was fast asleep in the bedroom of his palace. Suddenly, he woke up hearing a commotion outside the room. He called out the guards to know what the matter was. Soon his commander, Tanaji Malsure, entered into the room. He was holding a healthy and handsome boy of only 12 or 13 years. Shivaji was bewildered to see his commander.
Tanaji, who is this boy? Why have you brought him here?
Shivaji asked. Your Majesty. Tanaji bowed before Shivaji and said, He is a wicked boy. He entered into the fort only to kill you.
But why?
Shivaji was stunned.
What wrong have I done to him? It's better if you ask him directly.
Tanaji said.
Had I not come in the nick of time, something serious would have happened. Oh boy, who are you? What's your name?
Shivaji asked angrily. My name is Maloji. The boy stood erect and replied boldly.
Why did you come to my palace?
Shivaji asked again. I wanted to kill you. The boy was as bold as before.
What? Were you not afraid of my guards? Didn't you even think that if caught, you would be put to death?
Never.
Are you not afraid of death?
Shivaji was bewildered. Not at all. Shivaji was curious now. He asked the guards to take the dagger from his hand and go out of the room. Only Tanaji stayed there.
But why did you want to kill me?
Shivaji turned to the boy and asked. The boy said, My father was a soldier in your army. He was killed in a battle. After his death, we have been passing through great hardships. I was badly in need of money for the treatment of my ailing mother. One day, Subhan Rai, one of your greatest enemies, told me that if I kill you, he would give me a lot of money. He further said, I was taken by Subhan Rai's words. I came here and waited for an opportunity to enter into your room so that I could kill you. But before I could do my job, your guards caught me. Shivaji listened to the boy attentively. He was much impressed with the courage, boldness, and truthfulness of that boy. He began to think seriously. Just then, Tanaji Malsure urged,
Your Majesty, this boy has tried to commit a serious crime, so he should be put to death.
Why not? You can definitely put me to death. I am not afraid of it. I am a worthy son of a brave soldier. But before death, I have a request. Maloji said.
Of course, you can say your last wish, and we would try to fulfill it.
Shivaji replied. I would like to see my ailing mother for once before I die. Let me go home for once to see my mother. I promise to return by early tomorrow morning. The boy said.
But if all you abscond and don't return?
Shivaji asked. Your Majesty, you can have faith upon me. I am the brave son of a brave father. Even then, if you don't believe me, then you can send your soldiers with me. Maloji replied with a smile. Although Tanaji was interested to send some soldiers with the boy, but Shivaji allowed him to go alone. Once the boy had gone, Tanaji said to Shivaji,
I beg your pardon, Your Majesty. I don't think that tomorrow he would return at all to face death. We have not asked him of his address even. And if he doesn't turn up, then where should we search him?
Shivaji smiled.
Tanaji, I know he will come. Didn't you notice the boldness, firmness, truthfulness, and self-confidence of the boy? He is brave and courageous. He would definitely return in the morning.
The next day, Shivaji came to the royal court as usual. But there was no trace of Maloji. Maybe Tanaji was right, thought Shivaji. Just then, a soldier came in. Bowing to Shivaji, he said, Your Majesty, there is a boy named Maloji standing outside the gate, and he wants to meet you.
Bring him here,
ordered Shivaji. When the boy was produced before Shivaji, he bowed down and said, Your Majesty, I am here as per my promise. Now you can put me to death. Shivaji called him near and said,
You are worthy for honor and not for punishment. You are really brave. Would you like to join my army?
There were tears in the eyes of the boy. He fell down on Shivaji's feet and said, Your Majesty, it would be the greatest honor of my life. Shivaji embraced the boy and also arranged a lot of money for his family. Glossary: fondness, liking, courageous, bold, commotion, disturbance, commander, leader, bewildered, baffled, stunned, astonished, erect, straight, curious, inquisitive, hardship, difficulty, ailing, sick, attentively, carefully, impressed, amazed, commit, perform, worthy, commendable, abscond, escape, pardon, forgive, trace, hint, definitely, surely, promise, commitment, worthy, admirable, embraced, hugged,